These are 5 daily habits or 5 habits that you should incorporate in your daily life that will help you combat depression. Yes, these habits are different from the ones that I have discussed in my previous video, so stay tuned to find out more. Hello everyone and welcome back to Guilt-Free Mind. I am Dr. Shruti and today we are going to be discussing another topic about combating depression. These are 5 daily habits or 5 habits that you should incorporate in your daily life that will help you combat depression. Yes, these habits are different from the ones that I have discussed in my previous video, so stay tuned to find out more. Now, I always say this and I will repeat it one more time that depression is not a phase. You need help, you need guidance, and you need support. These self-help strategies will help you to an extent, but I suggest that along with these, you also meet up with a proper professional psychologist or psychiatrist so that they can help you, they can guide you through this journey and help you recover successfully. Now, before I get into the video, I would like to take this opportunity to remind you to please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell, because if you don't do that, the bell part at least, YouTube will not be able to notify you about the release of all the videos. So if you want to stay in touch and if you want to be a part of all the videos and watch them all the moment they are published, please hit that notification bell as well. Now, let's get into it. So here are 5 daily habits that you can use to combat depression. The first one, learn to be kind to yourself. The world's bad, awful, harsh, judgmental as it is. You don't have to do that to yourself. You lived this long, you must have done something right. Let's just be kind to ourselves. It's not that difficult. All you have to tell yourself when you get up in the morning is you are going to have a good day. I'm diverting a bit into positive affirmations here, but they can help you so much. So you get up, you tell yourself you are going to have a good day, and you congratulate yourself on actually getting up on time. It's not that hard. You tell yourself, I did a good job. And even those few words make you feel so much better. It's hard. Life is hard for people who don't have depression. For those who have depression, life is tremendously hard. So recognize that you have. It's something that should not be there, but it is there. So we are going to deal with it. And when you do something, even if it's small, tell yourself, praise yourself for it, and be kind to yourself. There will be days when you won't feel productive, when you won't get a lot of work done, and it's okay. You really don't have to bash yourself up on that. You don't have to go ahead and tell yourself, you're useless, you're a fool, you couldn't do this, you couldn't do that. That's not how things work. There are days when even the most productive person in the world feels that they just don't want to get out of it. And that's natural. So be kind to yourself. Now moving on to the second point, practice gratitude journaling. Every morning when you wake up and every night before you go to sleep, you need to have this one journal that sits on your bedside table with a pen. You can use your phone if you're comfortable with it. And you need to pick up the pen, pick up the journal, and write 5 things that you're grateful for. Now, every day cannot be the same thing. Like one day you can write, okay, I'm grateful for having a family, I'm grateful for having food on my table, I'm grateful that the weather is nice, but you cannot repeat these. Like, yeah, some days they'll obviously be repeated, but it shouldn't be like you make a habit of writing the same thing every day. So one day you're grateful for family, but the second day you're grateful that your wife is trying to support you in whatever you're facing, or your husband's trying to support you, or your partner, or your colleague, or your friend, or someone praised you and you're happy about it and you write that down. Or you met a dog in the park and the dog was cute and the dog showered you in affection and you're feeling grateful for that, you write that down. So you practice gratitude journaling morning and night every day. Point number 3, take small breaks. We all have tasks, we are all trying to manage a very busy life. So it's essential that you take breaks so you can avoid work burnout, or even though I do say that you have to stay very, very busy if you have depression, because that is the easiest way to help your mind heal. But even with that, you need small breaks. Now, breaks don't have to mean that you start sitting and thinking about what happened in the past. Break just means that, okay, you've been working for like 1 hour straight, you take a break of 10 minutes. Every 1 hour, take a break of 10 minutes. Walk around the place, get out of your house a little bit, just walk around the block, come back, and then get back to work. It's just that simple. It's a change of scenery, it's a change of what you have been looking at for the last 1 hour, and trust me, it can be so damn helpful. So try this out. Point number 4, start a hobby. Yes, hobbies are important. Hobbies are very, very important. Whatever you like, it doesn't have to be necessarily be anything that's conventional. Whatever you like and you feel you enjoy participating in, start doing that. It can also be going to the gym. If that's what you like, if you're like a person who likes going to the gym, then that can also be one of the options. Or you can go to a rescue center if you are a person who likes dogs, cats, or animals, and spend some time there. And progressively, you will not notice the difference immediately, but progressively, it'll become a habit, and you'll feel good when you go there. And that feeling good factor is the first one that vanishes when you have depression. So focus on working on a hobby or incorporating a new hobby if you already don't have one. Point number 5, and this is honestly the most crucial point in this video. Please do not compare yourself to the next person. We all have our own problems. We are all dealing with them in our own ways. Some of us may be facing depression, some of us may not be facing depression, some of us may be facing depression and never realize that we are facing depression. Some of us may be under a high level of stress, some may have anxiety, some may have bipolar, some may have ADHD, some may have different kinds of problems. There are so many problems in the world. So when I say this, that there is no one who is not facing some kind of stress, it's 100% true. People might tell you that, oh, I have no problems in my life. They're just hiding it. Everyone's got skeletons in their closet. They don't want to show it. That's their choice. But that doesn't mean that all of us are, perfect, happy, healthy individuals with no issues at all. We've all got our baggage of bones. Trust me, we all have huge baggage of bones. So don't compare yourself to others. They may have a different set of problems. They may not be facing depression, but that doesn't mean that they are completely fit and fine and you want a life like that. No, they are dealing with their own problems. You deal with your problem. It's just that simple. There is really no need to compare yourself and tell yourself, oh my god, that person is doing so much better. You only have competition with one person, and that is you. So compete with yourself. Get better than how you were a month back. That is who you are competing with. A month back, if you were in the throes of depression, and a month later, if you are up to more walking, doing more work, feeling a little bit better than how you were feeling a month back, that is progress, and that is who you are competing with. So try to be a better version of yourself, and do not try to be other people. Stop comparing and stop feeling that I need to be like someone else. Don't put others on a pedestal. You only have yourself to compete with, and focus on that. With that, these are the 5 daily habits that you should incorporate if you are facing depression. If you want to schedule a meeting with me, you can reach out to me via my Discord server. The link of the details are all in the description section. You can also reach out to me on Twitch if you have a simple query that you want to be resolved face to face. You can find me on Twitch. I do co-working streams there almost daily. And well, that's about it. Check out the blog, the link is in the description, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button for this video. I will see you in my next video, and well, let me know if these strategies are working for you. Put them in the comment section. Put in the comment section which strategy is not working for you, so I can help you figure out why, or maybe develop an alternate strategy that you can actually use to help you work. Well, let me know how I may be of help to you. So with that, take care, bye-bye, and I'll see you in my next video.